How to convert PowerPoint to PDF on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to convert the PowerPoint into PDF on Android. So if you're also wondering on how to do that, you can follow up the steps. You can just go ahead and open up the PowerPoint in your Android device, and once you're here, you can just go ahead and open up your presentation from there. So for example, this is the presentation that I want to convert into PDF. So once you've opened up a presentation and once everything is all set up, in order to convert it into PDF, you can just go ahead and tap on the three dot at the top right corner. Once you've selected that, you will be finding these options on your screen. So you can look up for this option called print, which is on the second last option, this one right here. And once you have done that, you will be easily finding this option called save as PDF with a drop down. So you can just go ahead and tap on this very first option that says save as PDF, and you'll be finding this PDF with a yellow icon with a circle. You can just go ahead and tap on it. Once tapped on it, you can save, select up a folder where you want to save it. For example, I want to save it on this marked sections and tap on save. After that is done, it will be saved. And when you go ahead and look out to your folder in your device, for example, my folder, and under marks I saved it, and when I save it, I can find this PDF version of my presentation right here. So that is how you find up your that is how you convert your PowerPoint presentation into a PDF as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.